Pair vacuum cleaner, no power. So there's an obvious defects on the side. So I cut off the wire. So and then I test directly on the wiring. So here's my tester. Ano ba? Okay, kasi. So select on timestamps to check the continuity. And then so that's the connection. So there's an on or off now. So that's the switch on off. And then so I have already replacement plug here. So I will connect this. Remove. Okay. And then that clip. And then the other one. Okay, the wire. Connect. So, okay, where's my screwdriver? I lose it. I got it. So I will use the screw. I'll use the one screw to there we go. And then other side. So this one. Remove this. Connect. There we go. And then I will remove the fuse here. I will use the. It's not the right tools, but easy way. So I don't have a fuse here, so I remove the fuse of the damaged plug. Then here's the plug. Chuck in the bin. And then fuse. Then over. Then screw. Plug. Done. Save money instead that you buy a new one. So if you don't know how to do it, just only ask my channel, so I can give you an idea how to fix appliances. So thanks for watching. Fix. That's it, man.